When others see a circus, I see a strategy, and that's what we have here. We are on week 2 of this remodel. Tune into our previous episode to see what it looked like before. And if you can even imagine what it looked like before, here's what it looks like now. So we've got 1 week of work done, not even touching the 2 years of damage that was caused by 2 things. Number 1, neglect, and number 2, a poor tenant. I'm Jennifer Mount. Sorry, didn't mean to hit my microphone. I'm Jennifer Mount with Legacy Leasing Solutions and Legacy Realty Advisors right here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And we are here to help you solve all of your real estate needs. Investments, purchases, sales, all of it, we got you. About 1.5 years ago, I was presented with this opportunity to help a out-of-state client get their real estate portfolio back in line. There are 23 houses. That means 23 opportunities for me to show them how I could help. I did not have any idea exactly how bad they needed me until I was brought over to the community 60 days ago and began this process. So this did not get destroyed in a day. I also am not going to be able to fix it in a day. So I would say the number one takeaway, or the first takeaway I want to leave with you today, as an investor and as a homeowner, if it's not destroyed in a day, it also cannot be rebuilt in a day. So we needed to have strategic planning, and I got 3 contractors over here to give me bids to see what was going to be best for this particular client and this particular budget and this particular dumpster fire that we are in right now. So you can see this, like I said, this is week 2, and the tenants just left the house in complete disarray. They even stole the microwave. I mean, come on now. Who's going to steal a microwave over an oven? Are you kidding me? These people. Who were they? I don't know. I don't know anything about these people. Also, this is so important why if you have an asset and you're out of state, you have to have a property manager that you trust that lives in state. So mistake number 2 or 12 that happened in this whole ordeal is that the property manager that they hired was, number 1, a family member, and number 2, out of state. I love my family. I'm sure you love your family too. And yet they might not be the best person to help you manage your asset. Also, there's value to the person who's managing your asset being 4 miles down the road so they can come down here and see what is actually going on. So when that doesn't happen, then these types of things happen. So after 1 week of working on this, we have all the sheetrock. So this was all exposed. Like I said, if you want to see how this started, look at the video from last week. And also, you have to just kind of pause and ask yourself, like, what happened here? Did they try to burn real wood in a gas fireplace? Like, what's actually going on here? I don't know. I wish I had the answers. I don't have the answers, but I do have the solutions. And I will help this person find them, and you can follow along on our journey. And it's going to be fun because a lot of times in life and in real estate, we don't have choices. So every one of these 23 homes is approximately 2,500 square feet. They are in Jenks School District. My client built all of these homes in 1995. It was going to be a legacy project that he could pass down to his kids, and also his sister, who lived here in Tulsa, was managing them for him. She passed away, which is how I got involved in this situation. And I'm so grateful that I did, because, man, look at this opportunity, you guys. And the owners had no idea. They live in Canada, Maryland, and North Carolina. They didn't know what was going on down here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, sadly. And so each one of these properties does have the master bedroom downstairs, which is a great feature. And they're in Jenks School District. Also, another great feature, the master bath in each one are really nice. They've got a separate tub and shower. They've got walk-in closets. So when the owner built these, he had an idea, he had a dream, and he executed on that dream. But one thing that I need to remind you in life, in real estate, is it's so important the people that you have with you on your journey. There's a saying that we say a lot at Legacy is you are the sum of the 5 people that you hang around. So if you want to hang around people that are not fit, then hang around people that are not fit. If you want to hang around people that excel, do that. So the owner had a dream and he had the right person to help him execute it. And when she was gone, people scrambled. So that's another thing, is always practice the pause, because you don't want to have a mistake that is going to cost you. The bid that I have for this remodel is around $50,000. So not many people can recover from a $50,000 mistake. And yet, as you see, we don't have a choice. So don't even really need to take you upstairs, because it's just more of the same disaster. And yet, there is a silver lining. The estimated completion date for this project is in 6 weeks. So I want you to tune back in next week. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, because we're really trying to grow organically, and you can help us do that. And you definitely want to come back next week so we can see what progress these contractors made over this past week. And I hope you have a great week. Remember, we always have a 3, 2, 1. 3 things you're going to implement, 2 things you're going to share, and 1 thing that you are going to execute on. So practice the pause. If you want to invest, have the right people alongside you, and don't have an out-of-state property manager. 2 things you're going to share, same things. Don't have an out-of-state property manager, and make sure that you get good contractors. Don't just take the first bid that you get. And 1 thing that you're going to execute on is gratitude. I want you to have gratitude for air conditioning, because we don't have air conditioning here and it is hot up in here, okay? So thank you for air conditioning, right? All right, come back next week, and I hope you have a great week. Until then, let's keep our fingers crossed that we see much more progress in the weeks to come.